Welcome to the February 2024 issue of Onsite Installer. On the cover, meet Ben and Seth, military veterans turned septic system experts on Whidbey Island. Battling variable soils and unique challenges, they've thrived with adaptability, offering turnkey installations, inspections, and maintenance. Learn about their island-specific solutions, from ATUs to innovative drain fields, in this engaging septic industry journey. Ever feel bogged down educating septic users? Dive into a homeowner training program with modules covering sewage treatment, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Equip yourself with free resources, including a detailed guide, ensuring users grasp the ins and outs. Discover the daycare dilemma turned innovative solution. Piper Satterfield, the design maestro at BBB Septic, faced challenges expanding a daycare in Arkansas. Dive into the fix involving Infiltrator's AES tech, transforming steep slopes into a space-efficient, budget-friendly system. Meet Casey Fiedler, the dynamic co-owner of Michigan Septic LLC. With over 3 decades in the industry, Casey shares insights on association benefits, industry challenges, and the tools he swears by. Step into the heart of wastewater challenges in Greenville County, South Carolina. As the population soars, officials debate on-site system restrictions. Plus, catch up on national updates, grants in multiple states, and evolving regulations. Discover innovative solutions for challenging on-site system replacements. Dive into advanced pretreatment tech, time dosing strategies, and rebuilding on existing grounds. Learn the ins and outs, potential pitfalls, and regulatory considerations. Unearth the art of revamping without starting from scratch. Step into the world of urban water recycling systems. Uncover the shift toward on-site solutions in densely populated areas. Meet Cora Snyder, a water sustainability advocate, exploring innovative projects from Silicon Valley to NYC. Learn about the challenges, benefits, and the changing landscape of water infrastructure. Explore cutting-edge drainfield components in wastewater management, from efficient tubing with antimicrobial features to space-saving treatment systems. Discover versatile distribution boxes and reliable filters for superior filtration. Learn about innovative vent pipe solutions and a case study on upgrading treatment systems for event venues. Premier Tech introduces RewaTech. This 2-in-1 dosing distribution box employs simple physics, ensuring efficient distribution with up to 5 outlets. This magazine is about installers like you. We would love to tell your story. Email editor@onsiteinstaller.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next month.